it's Noe with WTI. And if you've been on the hunt for the perfect pillow for a good night's sleep, then check out this 4-pack of hotel-style pillows from DOWNLITE. I've been a side sleeper for a long time and been trying to transition to a back sleeper, and these pillows have made it very easy to do just that. I absolutely love how fluffy and thick these pillows are. Immediately as I open the pillows, you can see them fluff up in an instant. They definitely give you the comfort that you need through the night. And I find that I'm not tossing and turning to try to get into a comfortable spot. They definitely fill out that standard size pillowcase beautifully. These pillows are great that they come in a 4-pack. We have a king size bed and I prefer the standard size pillows. These pillows are soft to medium feel. They definitely, you can see that they are squishy, but not too squishy. It's breathable cotton fabric, is soft to the touch. And these pillows are definitely well made. You can see the stitching around the corners is beautiful. So if you're looking to bring a little luxury into your home and have a comfortable night's sleep, then I would highly recommend this 4-pack of hotel style pillows from DOWNLITE. And that's my point of view.